What's up everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video you're gonna see how to turn off two-factor authentication on Facebook. So I'm heading over to my Facebook application. Once you're there, make sure you have logged in into your desired account and then head over to the three lines icon on the top right. And in here just head over to the settings, and from here go to account center. Now scroll down and go to password and security. Go to two-factor authentication. Go and select your Facebook profile. And if you have already turned on two-factor authentication, then you can just turn it off by following the prompt in here. So yeah, this is how you can do it. Hope this video will help you out, and we'll see you in the next video.